a formula that will work wonders for you. Principle 8. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. We can answer the question, how would I feel or respond if I were in their shoes? We all have something with which we disagree. Even our friends and family will not always agree with us on everything. Knowing the other person's point of view does not imply agreeing with them. Understanding the other person's point of view is recognizing their perspective before passing judgment on them. It will save a lot of time and stress since we'll better comprehend their point of view. If you can convincingly defend another person's viewpoint, it indicates that you can plainly see both sides. Make it a habit to present your case from the perspective of the opposite party. This enables you to evaluate your own viewpoints. And always let folks know that you're aware of their feelings and share them. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.